Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be doing a Temu unboxing of nail products. So if you're excited to see what I got, then make sure to stick around, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm gonna start with the product that I think I like most, and it's from this brand, Jejahi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but this is base coat, and I like the packaging. It's so cute. I like it so much. It's so high quality. It's really good. I like it, and it's a full 15 ml, so that is very good. I got another product. Okay, this is actually a gel polish in the color 05. I just love the packaging. I like it. I got these pink gloves, but I got it in an extra small size and it's too tiny. But I'm not too worried because I have more of the gloves. This is a brush. Ooh, it actually feels really good. I did want like this flower brush. I got this cat eye gel polish, and I'm scared for it because 6 gel polish is meant to be in this, and this looks super tiny. And now I'm thinking I should have gotten the cat eye polish from this brand instead, because I don't know, I'm scared. It's been a while since I posted on my channel because I was trying to get more items that I needed to make videos, and now I have like the necessities, the stuff that I needed. I was out of nail tips. Okay, this is not bad at all, because I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, they are in. Oh, okay, we'll make a video on these cat eye polish. Ooh, they are not bad at all. I like it. Okay, nah, they look good. They are not bad. Honestly, I was scared for a bit. This is 7 ml, so it's kind of like small, but it's good. Ooh. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a video testing these polish out. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. It looks really good. Okay, okay, I'm not mad about it, honestly. I do like this magnet as well. I got these magnets, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty disappointed because I thought they were gonna be big, but they are super duper tiny, and I'm going to try them because I do want to see how they function. But I thought this was magnet and this is just metal, so I really don't know how they work, but I'm going to try and figure it out. I'm going to try them all to see the kind of effect they give. This is dried flowers, yeah, for the nail arts, and I'm so excited. I really can't wait to use this. It took me almost like a month for my order to arrive, and it usually doesn't take that long, so I was very upset about that. These are files, nail file. This is a no wipe sculpting gel. I really cannot wait to use this. I got some gel polish. As always, I need as many gel polish as I can get. Seriously? Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, the color is there. I like him. Ooh, this looks really good. This is giving more like a coral. Okay, it's not a coral. I like this as well. I think I have too many pinks. Ooh, I don't have this pink though. This is really nice. This is very, very nice. Okay, I'm not bad about it. This looks good. Teal mint. Okay, it's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. I like it. I like them. I like all of them. Up next are these polish. They are all brown nude shades. They look slightly different, but I know the difference is gonna be very minimal. Like these two look almost identical. Looks like the same thing. I don't want to bore you guys by opening them. Ooh, I like the color though. Now let's see. Oh, okay, there's a difference. There's a huge difference. Okay, this is real chocolate. This. Okay, they almost look the same, these two. Slight difference, just slight difference. This is gonna be more grayish. Okay. Oh shit. Ooh, I like this. I got some pad gel. Oh, it's wrapped double. Nice. Okay. I got colors that I will be needing most. I'm going to get more colors if I turn out to like these ones. Okay, they look good. They look really good. I really like this. Just gonna quick through this one because they're just nail tips. Short almond, short square, medium. To me, this is long length actually, so I'm gonna say long square and long almond. This is medium to someone, but this is long to me. These are pre-edged, like they've buffed the bottom side, which is really good. I like that part. This is the builder gel. I like it. It's really nice. This cost me about almost $70. So it's not cheap, but it's good for what I got, you know. Also, I was catfished by this on the sides look big. This is a nail remover. This is really small, but comes with this very pointy mouth, so I guess you're not supposed to use much. This is a silicone too. I need to rip it apart. This will be my first silicone tool yet, and I like it. I don't know, there's nothing much to say. They are bows, different types of bows, and I like this. This is like a laced up with a bow here. I like it. Okay, this is how they look from the back. Really cute, really nice. Okay, so these are liner gels. They are glittery liner gels. So I'm gonna show you this is the silver one. This is unbeatable. This is so nice. This is so nice, so shimmery. I like it. And this is the gold. Okay, it's good. It has like a dark undertone a little, but I like it. I got some ombre brushes. These are just French tips guide, and if you've been watching my channel, you know I struggle slightly with making French tips, so I got these stickers, and it comes in 5 strips. It was really affordable as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of content ideas coming your way. I have so many nail arts, nail designs that I want to try. This is mini rhinestone pearls, and it has every color, honestly. Coming to the end of the things that I got. This is nail clippers. I already have a nail clipper, but I got it for the magnet that comes with it. Yeah, it comes with magnets. Ooh, this is why I got it. The one I have is more pinkish. This has kind of like an iridescent look, which is cool. Okay, I like this. Last but one item I got was cuticle scissors. I don't like to use cuticle scissors. I just use cuticle softener and your cuticle scraper to, you know, get the work done. But I did want to try the cuticle scissors. I am scared because honestly, you don't need to do this. I'm just I might rethink my decision, but final thing I got in this nail haul was this lamp. I have the mini version of, not like it's a mini version, so I wanted something big, and this box looks super beaten up. Okay, so it has 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. Okay, it's not bad at all. Okay, so my final thoughts on the stuff that I got, aside the fact that it took a long while for it to come, I'm just going to go straight ahead and show you guys my favorite out of these stuff that I got. They are both the cat eye polish, love, and these, the liner glittery gel polish. I like these brushes as well. It's one of my favorite. It's really fluffy. I like it. These polishes, honestly, I like all the polish that I got. My pad gel, love, love, love. The final 2 stuffs would be my nail tips, the silicone mold, and this. Ooh, also I like this. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, because I will be dropping new videos almost as much as I can, and they are all new content. So if you love new content, you love new art, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers, so that would really make me happy. Thank you all for watching. Bye guys.